Once upon a time, in an isolated island, lived an albatross named Aelian. Aelian was not an ordinary bird. He was known for his grace and his vast wingspan, a sight to behold for any traveler passing by. Yet Aelian was troubled. He felt the weight of the world on his wings, as if he was carrying a burden no bird should bear. His fellow creatures, the small birds of the island, were puzzled by his melancholy. One day, a wise old turtle named Tethys, who had seen many seasons come and go, approached Aelian. "Why do you look so troubled, Aelian?" she asked. Aelian sighed, "I am carrying a burden, Tethys. A burden that I cannot shake off." Tethys, with her patient eyes, suggested, "Perhaps the burden is not meant to be shaken off, but embraced." Intrigued, Aelian asked, "What burden could possibly be worth such a heavy heart?" "The burden of responsibility, Aelian," Tethys replied. "You were born with the gift of flight and a heart that is boundless. You can soar to heights no other bird can reach. With this gift, you have a responsibility towards those who cannot." Aelian looked into Tethys's eyes, and a spark ignited within him. He realized that his burden was not a curse, but a gift. His vast wingspan was not a burden, but a tool for change. From that day forward, Aelian flew above his island, spreading his wings wide. He carried the hopes and dreams of the small birds with him, delivering them to the far-off lands. He became a bridge between the sky and the ground, a symbol of hope and responsibility. And so, the albatross, once troubled, became a beacon of hope. His melancholy turned into a source of strength, and the burden he carried became the very thing that made him extraordinary. The story of Aelian and Tethys serves as a reminder that our burdens, too, can be our greatest gifts. Embrace your responsibilities, for they are the wings that carry you to new heights.